Let's make mixed dal, which is made using a variety of lentils and one of my favorite recipe. Start with chana dal, also known as split chickpeas, masoor dal, also known as split red lentils, tur dal, also known as split pigeon peas, moong dal, also known as split moong beans, and black urad chilka, also known as split black beans. Use all of these lentils in equal quantity and wash these for at least 3 to 4 times. If you don't have any of these dals, you can simply skip it. Now soak it for around 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes,
transfer your dal into a pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder. For 1 cup of dal, use 2.5 cups of water. Also add few drops of oil. If you are not using chana dal, 3 whistles are enough, but since we are using it, wait for 6 whistles. For the masala, use 1 onion, which I will chop into smaller pieces, a small piece of ginger, few cloves of garlic. You can chop this or you can use a grater. After 6 whistles, remove your pressure cooker from the heat. Next, use 2 tomatoes, which we will roughly chop into smaller pieces. I will also use 2 green chilies, which is just for the spiciness. Start with desi ghee, which can be replaced by any cooking oil. Add 1 black cardamom, 1 bay leaf, half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Here goes the ginger and garlic, which I will cook for around 30 seconds. Add your onions. Saute your onions for hardly 5 minutes. Here goes 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of spicy red chili. I am adding some water here. Let's add the tomatoes and green chilies now. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover it and let it cook until your tomatoes are mashy. Let's add some spices now. 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder, and I am using Kitchen King masala. This is just a blend of many Indian spices and it tastes really good in this dal. So add 1 teaspoon here. The pressure cooker has cooled down naturally, so let's open our dal now. This dal is well cooked, so let's add it to our masala. Mix your dal well and add water to adjust the consistency of this dal. You can add more or less water as per your liking. Now let this dal simmer for around 5 minutes. But keep mixing it, otherwise it may stick to the bottom of your pan. The last spice we are adding here is garam masala. You can adjust the salt level at this stage and this dal is ready. Enjoy this dal with fresh roti or rice, and I am sure guys, you will love the lightness and amazing flavor of this dal. Check out other lentil videos on my channel and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.